Keep my conscience clear, that's why I'm so magnetic. Manifested, I finesse it. Take my pen and write some love letters to heaven, just like magic.
Welcome to the E.D'ORSTYLES channel. My name is E.D'OR. As you can see, I have a little hyperpigmentation in some areas because of acne. I always get a small breakout before my period, so this is a mask I make to get rid of it. Also, it will clear my pores. Here we go. You will only need 2 ingredients, turmeric and honey. I usually use raw honey, it's the best for this recipe, but today I'll be using Manuka honey. Any honey will do, just make sure it's real honey and it's not filled with sugar. Just mix it up until it becomes a paste. You got it bad, like I got it bad for you. Let me tell you, like this. I've been thinking about us. Alright, so secure your hair and wear an ugly shirt because this stuff can really stain. And I'm ready to apply. Oop, water break. I stay hydrated. It also helps my skin and just because I was thirsty. I have hyperpigmentation around my mouth, so I like to focus on that area and add it to my lips as well. I've been using this mask for years. Trust me, it works. You got it bad, like I got it bad for you. If you got it bad, like I got it bad for you. So give me your mom and show me that baby it's out. All done. I usually leave it on for about 30 minutes, but 15 to 20 minutes is enough. After scrubbing it off and cleaning my face with my cleanser, this is how it looks. I really scrub because it helps to clear my pores. It kind of acts as an exfoliator. You can see my scars look lighter. It will take several times before your complexion is completely clear, but you can see a difference on the first application. Okay, so I love this stuff. This ice roller, I got it from Amazon. It just makes me feel relaxed, keeps my skin looking young, and reduces puffiness. So I usually use this like pretty much every morning, but I like to apply it after this mask as well. And I like to dab a bit of this Fenty toner to reduce my pores. Waste a minute if I had you all to myself. We'd be walking in the moonlight, staying up till sunrise. Baby, you can let your walls come down. Let it air dry. In the corner, sleeping. And lastly, I add a little bit of my homemade lotion. My skin has been very dry lately. I will link the video of my homemade lotion recipe in the description box. Like I got it bad for you. If you got it bad, like I got it bad for you. Let me tell you about the way that I've been thinking about. Et voila. Thank you for watching and subscribing. Let me know your results in the comments section. Don't forget to like and share, and I'll see you on my next one. Bye!